having the best computer gear, monitors and just expensive studio monitors, speakers and LED lights, fancy stuff like this. And then wearing the crummiest t-shirts. T-shirts! It's tea time, detective. Here with some chamomile tea and ghee oil in that. Getting oiled up. Yesterday, my mouse, this computer mice, it started having problems with the left click, not registering each time. You get one of these for like 25 euros. But I've been using this model for maybe like 6 years on my Linux computer. Believe me, I've had a lot of mice. More about that later. Because of this, I started to research. I ended up buying another one of these and also a new keyboard from Logitech. The MX Mini Mechanical Tactile Switch keyboard. There's a huge slew of YouTubers making videos about computer stuff. These videos are almost always pretty much the same. They are even edited in the same way. There's some guy that is very different from each other guy. An individual. What is this individual surrounded with is for all of these guys just the same. They all have the same basic stuff. Having the best computer gear, monitors and just expensive studio monitors, speakers and LED lights, fancy stuff like this. And then wearing the crummiest t-shirts. It's the tea time, detective. T-shirts! I mean fucking t-shirts. Are you guys like serious? T-shirts. You make this stuff for YouTube and you wear fucking t-shirts. T-shirts. Before you blow all your monies on those fucking studio monitor speakers and that kind of stuff, get your fucking shirt game right. You use your shirt more than you use your fucking computer. It might as well be good. Then a little something about that computer mice, and I went through a lot of them. When I was used to be a Windows user and a gamer, I had all kinds of. I had the Razer Nagan, I had the Zowie EZ1, and I had a Logitech G500. And with keyboards, I went through the Roseville mechanical keyboard, and I had a SteelSeries G7, and I had also Thermaltake one. I had the Razer Lycosa. I tried the Logitech G15. Is that these weren't very durable. The switches always broke just like this. These fucking things, they cost so much and they last such a short time. Same with headphones. And when I changed to Linux, I realized that this type of mice is actually the best option. One of the best options there is. You don't need the MX Master. Just get this one. It's cheap. Even if it breaks in a year, you can get another one. No matter shit. And it's ergonomical. Stay tuned for an unboxing because I got a red one this time. And what I came to think about all those reviews, because I try to research each product I buy, was that we live in a very weird time where people that are hugely different from each other are living amidst such the same type of stuff. I think that it's even kind of sad that we are in this situation in the world. So I hope that I made the right choices there. Going with Logitech again. I tried and about those mechanical keyboards, I used the blue switches and the red switches, but I never tried the brown switches. But this one, the MX Mini mechanical keyboard, that's with brown switches. Not with cherry switches though. This stuff goes like deep. And it was a low profile mechanical keyboard. I saw it, I was like, low profile mechanical keyboards, these exist nowadays? They didn't exist when I was into that keyboard game 7 years ago. Low profile keyboards, if they were out there, they were very rare. And by the way, I write. I really write. I write a lot. So a keyboard is kind of important for what I do. I'm gonna review that product from a standpoint of being a writer. I deem myself a writer. If you use your keyboard just to type in some search terms for bullshit, don't really matter what it is. And I'm gonna be very honest, I'll tell you if it's not good. I'll tell you if it's not really that great of a choice. That's it. Thanks for watching this.